Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to move images around in WordPress using a few easy, but really useful techniques. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to reposition your images in posts and pages, customize their alignment with your text, and make your whole site look more polished and professional. So if you've ever been frustrated by images not quite sitting where you want, or if you want your blog posts to stand out visually, stick with me, this'll only take a few minutes. Let's dive in. First up, we'll use the block editor toolbar, which is the standard and most straightforward way for moving an image or image block within your content. So, go ahead and edit the post or page where your image is located. Just click Edit. Your content will show up in the WordPress block editor. Now find the image you want to move. When you click on it, you'll see a toolbar appear right above the image. Take a look at those little arrow icons. Move up and move down. These allow you to nudge your image one block at a time, either upwards or downwards in your content. It's as simple as clicking the arrow, watching your image shift, and repeating until it's exactly where you want it. This method is great for precise placement, especially when you're rearranging a lineup of images or other blocks. Remember, each click moves the image one position, so if it looks like nothing's happening, you might just need to click a few more times to get it all the way to your desired spot. But what if you're moving an image a bit farther, maybe from the top to the bottom of the page or between sections? For that, WordPress gives you a super handy drag and drop option. Let's give that a try. First, make sure you're in the editor and you've selected the image you want to move. When you do, look for the 6 dots icon in the toolbar. This is the drag handle. If you hover your mouse over it, your cursor will change, and you can now click and hold the handle. With it held down, simply drag the image block to the area of the page you want it to go. As you move, keep an eye out for the blue horizontal line. That line shows you exactly where your image will land once you release the mouse button. This visual cue is super helpful, especially if you've got a lot of blocks and want to be really sure about placement. Once you're happy, go ahead and let go. Your image is now in its new spot. This method gives you a lot more flexibility, almost like rearranging photos in a physical album or on a corkboard. Once you've moved your image, don't forget the final step. Click Update or Publish to save your changes, otherwise all your hard work won't go live. Let's talk about aligning images with text, because this is key to making your posts look professional and easy to read. If you want text to wrap around your image, click on the image to bring up the toolbar again. There's an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. That's your Align button. Click it and you'll see choices: align left, right, or center. If you pick Align left, your image will sit to the left while your text flows neatly around it. Like how magazine columns work. Align right does the same but to the right. If you want your image front and center with no text wrapping, choose Align Center. This creates a focal point and is perfect for images you want to highlight. Play with these options and see which looks best in your content. There's no one right way. That wraps up this quick tutorial on moving images in WordPress. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more website building tips. If you have any questions or got stuck at any step, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next how-to.